Hello everybody, it's Martin back for another unboxing video, and today we have a Pepwave Puma 421. Now this has actually been renamed in the last couple of weeks from the Puma antenna to the mobility antenna, and this is an antenna that is designed for, as the name suggests, sort of on in-vehicle installs and those sorts of installs that might be in remote locations. So let's open the box, have a look, see what's inside. Right, so we've got straight away some screws, a mounting Jubilee clip. Just tricky to get out. You turn it upside down. It's coming. Right. That box is empty. Undo the bottom here. There we go. Okay, right, so we've got... Wow, get there in the end. Get rid of the box. So here we have it. This is the antenna. Here we go, tape measure. So we're looking at about 8 inches across, 20 centimeters. It's got this great, very high bond M3 sticker on the bottom. It's a polycarbonate plastic enclosure. Got the Pepwave brand on the front there. And then this one is the 421. So what does that mean? Well, we can see it quite clearly here. We've got four LTE connections, and then 2 Wi-Fi connections, and then 1 GPS. And then it comes with this rather nifty mounting bracket. Now what's great about this is, and that you unscrew the bottom, slide it in, pop it through there, screw that back up, and now we can wall mount this. We can take there's two screw holes there for wall mounting, or we can use this and the circular clip, the Jubilee clip, to mount this to a pole, and we've got the ability there to mount across the pole, so in a vertical orientation, or indeed if the pole is horizontal, we can go across this bracket here as well. The bracket is also plastic, and I think it's probably a couple of meters of cable on the end. And there it is. That is the antenna. And just pull that back. You'll see that the 3M pad on the bottom here, let me just get this back on. 3M pad on the bottom has got holes pre-cut, which is how the bracket is mounted to the antenna. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that comes, you've got the 4 screws here. It's got a Phillips crosshead screw with a bit of nylock on it as well, and that's how you secure the bracket to the antenna if you're not just sticking it down. And you could stick it down on top of an RV or on any sort of nice flat surface. So wall mounting screws, bracket attachment screws, the bracket itself, and a clip, and the antenna. And that is the 421.